Are you ready to transform your flying experience from ordinary to extraordinary, all without spending an extra dime? Many travelers, especially our wise and wonderful seniors, miss out on incredible hidden perks simply because they don't know to ask. Get ready to discover a world of comfort, convenience, and cost savings that airlines are happy to provide. You just need to know the secret handshake. Flying today might seem less glamorous than the golden age, but hidden gems still exist. Airlines genuinely want your journey to be smooth and enjoyable. These unadvertised services are designed to enhance your comfort, save you money, and make travel more accessible for everyone. It's about empowering you to ask for what you deserve. This guide is packed with insider tips for seniors, budget-conscious adventurers, and frequent flyers alike. We'll uncover 15 amazing freebies that can make your next flight healthier, happier, and truly hassle-free. Let's dive in and unlock these fantastic benefits. Long flights can leave you feeling less than fresh, but here's a delightful secret. Many airlines stock free amenity kits on overnight or long-haul flights. These often include a toothbrush, toothpaste, socks, lotion, and even an eye mask. It's like a mini spa treatment. The trick? You absolutely have to ask. Flight attendants often have extras from premium cabins and are happy to share, especially with polite seniors. Next time you're flying 6+ hours, inquire. You might just get a refreshing boost and save on packing your own toiletries. Navigating massive airports can be exhausting, especially with tight connections or mobility challenges. But did you know airlines offer free golf cart rides or escorts to your gate? This isn't just for wheelchair users, it's about making your journey easier. Simply ask when booking or at check-in for special assistance or gate-to-gate transport. If you're already at the airport, a gate agent can arrange assistance. It's no charge, no hassle, just VIP treatment to save your energy and ensure a stress-free connection. Airport lounges aren't just for first-class flyers. Many seniors and frequent travelers qualify for free access through loyalty programs, specific credit cards, or even a polite ask at check-in. Inside, you'll find free snacks, quiet seating, clean restrooms, and often Wi-Fi. Pro tip, if you're on a long layover or flying premium economy, ask, is lounge access available today? You might just score a serene escape from the terminal chaos, saving money on expensive airport food and drinks. It's a true cost-saving comfort. Struggling with overhead bins is a common travel woe, but you don't have to. Flight crews are trained to help, especially seniors who ask early. Mention it at the gate or as you board, and they'll gladly stow your carry-on. There's no need to risk a pulled muscle or strain your back when assistance is just a question away. This simple act of asking ensures your safety and comfort, making boarding a breeze. Embrace the help that's readily available. Dreaming of extra legroom? Seniors with mobility issues or medical needs can sometimes snag free seat upgrades to bulkhead, exit row, or even premium economy. The key: ask politely at check-in or the gate, not mid-flight. Be polite and explain your needs, e.g., back pain, recent surgery, need to stretch. Gate agents often prioritize kind requests when space allows. This can make a world of difference for your comfort, turning a long flight into a much more pleasant experience. Forgot your headphones? Most airlines offer free pairs on long-haul flights. Just ask before they run out. Some even lend tablets preloaded with movies, games, and music. This is a fantastic perk for budget-conscious travelers. Not tech-savvy? Flight attendants will gladly help you navigate the entertainment system. Need captions or volume adjustments? Speak up. It's all part of the service to ensure you enjoy your flight. Aircraft cabins can get chilly, and seniors often feel it most. Blankets and pillows are free on long flights, but supplies are limited. Board early and ask a flight attendant. They'll often prioritize older travelers. A small pillow for lumbar support can make all the difference for your back and overall comfort. Don't hesitate to request these cozy essentials to ensure a restful journey. You're not limited to one tiny snack bag. Flight attendants can provide extra water and snacks. Just ask politely. Need consistent hydration for medication? Request it early in the flight. Have dietary preferences? They may have fruit or low-sodium options available. Pro tip: ask before the cart makes its final pass. Staying hydrated and nourished is key to feeling great during and after your flight. Dietary restrictions? Airlines offer free customized meals, diabetic-friendly, gluten-free, kosher, vegetarian, and more. This is a fantastic accessibility feature that ensures everyone can enjoy their meal. Request your special meal 24-48 hours pre-flight, but even last-minute asks can sometimes work. Your ticket includes this: no extra fees. It's a wonderful way to ensure your health and dietary needs are met. Flying with health concerns? Airlines accommodate portable oxygen concentrators with advance notice. Flight attendants are trained to assist with medication, monitor symptoms, and provide first aid kits, all free. Don't suffer silently. Help is available. Inform the crew if you feel unwell or need assistance. Knowing this support is there can provide immense peace of mind for seniors and anyone with health considerations. Economy seats aren't always senior-friendly, but airlines sometimes waive fees for bulkhead or exit rows if you ask early. Explain stiff joints or mobility needs politely at check-in. A smile and kindness go far. This can significantly improve your comfort, allowing you to stretch and move more freely during the flight. It's a simple request that can make a huge difference. Are you celebrating a birthday, anniversary, or a milestone trip? Many airlines offer free flight certificates or special recognition if you inform them in advance or discreetly mention it to the crew. It's a lovely, personalized touch. This can include a small celebratory treat, a personalized announcement, or even a signed certificate from the captain. It adds a memorable, positive touch to your travel experience, making it truly special. While full internet access often costs money, many airlines now offer free Wi-Fi for messaging apps like WhatsApp or iMessage. This allows you to stay connected with loved ones on the ground without paying for a full internet package. It's a fantastic cost-saving perk for budget-conscious travelers who just need to send a quick update. Check with your airline or the flight attendant if this free service is available on your flight. While not always guaranteed, in situations like significant delays, cancellations, or even minor schedule changes, airlines often offer free rebooking to an earlier or later flight. Sometimes, if you have a valid reason, a medical appointment, they might offer flexibility. Politely explain your situation to a gate agent or customer service representative. Being flexible and kind can often lead to a positive outcome, saving you rebooking fees and stress. Flight attendants are seasoned travelers themselves and often have incredible local knowledge. Don't hesitate to ask them for recommendations on restaurants, attractions, or even the best way to get around at your destination. They can offer invaluable, personalized travel tips that you won't find in guidebooks. Consider them your in-flight concierge, ready to share their expertise and enhance your trip even before you land. There you have it, 15 incredible free perks that can transform your next flight. Remember, the key is always to ask politely and early. Airlines want you to have a positive experience, and these services are there to help. So, on your next adventure, whether you're a senior seeking comfort, a budget-conscious explorer, or a frequent flyer looking for extra perks, remember these tips. You're now empowered with insider knowledge to make every journey smoother, more enjoyable, and more affordable. Ready to elevate your travel? Share this video with fellow travelers, hit that like button, and subscribe for more empowering travel tips. What's your favorite hidden airline perk? Let us know in the comments below.